Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be discussing about the most important and the most confusing topic in French, which is the possessive adjective. Now, what's a possessive adjective in French? Here in French, possessive adjective means when I have to discuss about my possession. In English, what is a let's first discuss what is a possessive adjective in English. A possessive adjective in English is that shows my possession. Like I say, I go out with my mother. Over here, what is the possession? Is my mother. So I will always say I go out with my mother. Mother over here shows that it is the possessor, that is I, whose possession is mother. Here what I will do is I will always have I go out with my mother, you go out with your mother, he goes out with his mother. Over here, the mother does not have his own gender. It will always take the possessor's gender. So, for I, it is my. For you, it is his, your. For he and him, he or she, it is his or her. For us, it is our. For they, it is their. So, it is always, I go out with my mother. I go out with my mother. Now over here, if I go to the subject pronoun, masculine singular, feminine singular and a plural. For masculine singular, je, which is I, jo, which is I, it is mo, ma, me. I go out with my mother. So here, my mother. But the mother did not have her own gender. So that is the reason father. Raj goes out with his mother. The mother over here is feminine and it cannot be that she will become masculine. But here his is because Raj was masculine. So, but in French, my father, the father itself has a gender. My mother, the mother itself has its gender. My cousins, the cousins will be plural because I go out with my cousins. So they are plural. For tu, it is to, ta, te. It is your, you, your. Il, el is so, sa, says, his and her. Our is notre, nous. Now over here, there is always confusion where to use notre and where to use nous. Here, nous allons avec notre mère. So it is we go out with our mother. Mother is singular, though we are plural, we. But mother was a singular. On the contrary, we go out with our cousins. Over here, cousins is plural and we are also plural. So that's the reason over here I will use notre and over here I will use nous. Then again, vous, that is you, in the plural form. You go out with your cousins, you go out with your mother. So you, आप आपकी मम्मी के साथ बाहर जाओ. आप is a plural way, so that is how this would be used. Il and else, that is they, that is leur, leurs and leur. They go out with their mother. So mother is a plural. Ils vont avec leur mère. Over here it could be ils vont avec leur mère. Over here, mother is singular, but ils vont avec leurs mère. So that would be plural because they go out with their mothers, respective mothers. So in that case, it would be leurs. Guys, this plays a very important role when you are converting your singulars to plurals in the smaller grades and when you are talking in the higher grades, because these are very small mistakes that you make which contribute to your bigger mistakes. If your possessive adjectives are wrong, you are definitely going to make mistakes at the higher level. Now there are certain rules which you have to keep in mind. Like whenever there is a feminine noun starting with a vowel, ma, ta, sa, that is the feminine formation changes to mo, to, so. Example, école, which is feminine. It can never be ma école because A and E would clash, which are two vowels, and phonetically we cannot allow two vowels to clash. We will not be able to pronounce them clearly. So that's the reason it changes to more equal. Here we have in this video we have tried to explain possessive adjectives in the best possible way. We would like to know if you have liked this video. Do let us know in comments. Do let us know what would you like to understand and know. These adjectives on the other part would also be continued in the same way. Do keep loving us. Thank you.